Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something we all deal with, posture and back pain. Whether you're sitting at a desk all day or just want to feel better overall, these exercises are for you. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that you won't want to miss. Let's start with first exercise, the cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a gentle, flowing exercise that enhances spinal flexibility and strengthens the muscles surrounding the spine. To perform this stretch, start on your hands and knees, aligning your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Begin with the cow pose by inhaling deeply, arching your back, and lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling, allowing your belly to drop towards the floor. Transition smoothly into the cat pose by exhaling, rounding your spine towards the ceiling and tucking your chin to your chest while drawing your belly button towards your spine. This sequence should be repeated slowly and rhythmically for about 1 minute, promoting better posture, relieving tension in the back and neck, and increasing overall spinal mobility. Exercise number 2, the shoulder blade squeeze. The shoulder blade squeeze is a simple yet effective exercise designed to improve posture and strengthen the upper back muscles, specifically the rhomboids and middle trapezius. To perform this exercise, stand or sit with your feet hip-width apart and your arms relaxed at your sides. Begin by gently pulling your shoulders back and down. Then squeeze your shoulder blades together as if trying to hold a pencil between them. Maintain this squeeze for about 5 seconds, focusing on engaging the muscles between your shoulder blades without shrugging your shoulders. Release and repeat the movement 10 times. Regular practice of the shoulder blade squeeze can help counteract the effects of prolonged sitting and forward slouching positions, ultimately leading to better posture and reduced upper back and neck tension. Exercise number 3, bridge pose. The bridge pose, also known as Setu Bandhasana, is a versatile exercise that strengthens the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, while opening the chest and hip flexors. To perform this pose, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Place your arms alongside your body with your palms facing down. As you inhale, press through your feet to lift your hips towards the ceiling, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Ensure your thighs remain parallel and avoid letting your knees splay outward. Engage your core and glutes to support the lift and hold the position for 15 to 20 seconds. Breathing deeply. To release, exhale, and slowly lower your hips back to the floor. Repeat this movement 3 times. The bridge pose not only enhances spinal flexibility and strengthens the posterior chain, but also promotes better posture and alleviates lower back pain. Exercise number 4, child's pose. Child's pose, or balasana, is a restful and restorative yoga pose that gently stretches the hips, thighs, and lower back while promoting relaxation and stress relief. To perform this pose, kneel on the floor with your big toes touching and your knees spread apart about hip width. Sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward, reaching out in front of you while lowering your torso between your thighs. Allow your forehead to rest on the mat, and if needed, you can place a cushion or blanket under your head or chest for support. Focus on deep, steady breathing as you hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute or longer if desired. Child's pose is ideal for releasing tension in the back and shoulders, calming the mind, and gently stretching the muscles in the hips and thighs, making it an excellent addition to any exercise routine for improving posture and reducing stress. Exercise number 5, wall angels. Wall angels is an effective exercise designed to improve shoulder mobility, posture, and upper back strength. To perform this exercise, stand with your back against the wall, feet about 6 inches away from the baseboard. Ensure your lower back, upper back, and head are pressed against the wall. Raise your arms to form a 90-degree angle at the elbows, with your upper arms parallel to the floor and your forearms pointing upwards, resembling a goal post position. Slowly slide your arms upward against the wall, as if making a snow angel, extending them fully without losing contact with the wall. Then bring them back down to the starting position. Perform this movement slowly and deliberately for about 1 minute, ensuring your core is engaged and your spine remains neutral. Exercise number 6, thoracic extension. The thoracic extension exercise is designed to counteract slouching and improve the flexibility and mobility of the thoracic spine, which is the middle and upper part of the back. To perform this exercise, sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you or in a comfortable seated position. Place your hands behind your head, interlacing your fingers for support. Gently arch your upper back, lifting your chest upward while keeping your lower back stable and not overextending. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds, feeling the stretch along your upper spine and between your shoulder blades. Return to the starting position and repeat this movement 5 times. Exercise number 7. Side planks. Side planks are a powerful core strengthening exercise that targets the obliques, shoulders, and hips while also improving balance and stability. To perform a side plank, lie on your side with your legs extended and stacked on top of each other. Place your bottom elbow directly under your shoulder, forming a straight line from your head to your feet. Engage your core and lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your upper arm resting on your side or extend it straight up towards the ceiling. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds, focusing on maintaining a straight alignment without letting your hips drop. Exercise number 8. Quadruped arm leg raises. Quadruped arm leg raises, also known as bird dog, is an effective exercise for enhancing core stability, balance, and coordination by engaging multiple muscle groups, including the back, abdominals, glutes, and shoulders. To perform this exercise, start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position, with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Engage your core to keep your spine neutral and avoid arching or rounding your back. Simultaneously extend your right arm forward and your left leg backward, forming a straight line from your fingertips to your toes. Hold this position for 5 seconds, focusing on keeping your hips level and stable. Exercise number 9. Seated spinal twist. The seated spinal twist, also known as Ardha Matsyendrasana, is a yoga pose that enhances spinal flexibility, improves digestion, and alleviates tension in the back. To perform this exercise, sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Bend your right knee and place your right foot on the outside of your left thigh. Keep your left leg extended or bend it so your left foot is near your right hip, depending on your flexibility. Place your right hand on the floor behind you for support and your left elbow on the outside of your right knee. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, twist your torso to the right, looking over your right shoulder. Finally, let's finish strong with a chest opener stretch. The chest opener stretch is a beneficial exercise for improving posture and relieving tension in the chest and shoulders. To perform this stretch, stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Interlace your fingers behind your back or clasp your hands together. Straighten your arms and gently lift them away from your body, aiming to keep them parallel to the ground. Open your chest by squeezing your shoulder blades together and slightly lifting your chin. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds while breathing deeply. This stretch helps counteract the effects of hunching forward, stretches the pectoral muscles, and promotes better shoulder mobility and posture. There you have it, 10 simple exercises to improve posture and reduce back pain. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating these exercises into your daily routine to feel stronger and more aligned. And here's your bonus tip. Listen to your body and take breaks throughout the day to stretch and move. Your spine will thank you. If you found these exercises helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.